Okay, good morning. So the comment here is asking for a video that's kind of going through the kit that I use while I'm out picking up trash. Now, the first thing is the litter buggy itself, which is built on a Axial SCX6 with a tote on the top. The only thing that it carries, aside from the trash obviously, is it has a spare set of batteries for the remote control here in the back. That's the only thing that's actually being carried on the rig. Now, as we go to the rest of the kit, so the CamelBak. Now, this CamelBak. So this CamelBak, along with carrying the fluid, just um, I'm using Propel mix with the water. It also has the magnetic holder for the grabber, so that I don't have to carry the grabber all the time, or if I need to free up my hands, I can. Now, as for the grabber, I am using a Footmog grabber version 5. This is the one that has the carbon fiber shaft in the middle and is arguably one of the most durable grabbers you can find, even though you have to kind of make this one. Works like a champ though. The other tool that I carry is this thing here for poking water bottles. It has two razor blades on the end that open up so that I can go through bottles that have fluid in it to drain it all out so I don't put that in the trash. Now this right here is my sun hat. There's nothing overly fancy about this. We carry a Guardian green flasher for safety. Underneath the hat, this piece here is for the camera. This is a camera that I use to make all the videos. It snaps right in here. That way I can, record things as I go along. Of course, my gloves, which I actually need to make a video on because I finally wore a pair out. The big thing is my belt here. Now this is what I carry most of my tools on. Now the belt is two pieces. It's made by 511, both parts. I forget what this is called, but this has all the MOLLE attachments, and then you have the inside belt as well. If we go around this, we have, we got pepper spray. This is a dry bag. This bag here unfurls so that you can carry large items. If I find something that I need to get back for some reason, I can unroll that. Honestly, I don't use this a whole lot, and I may take it off at some point. And then we have a Cliff Bar rolled up into it, just because you gotta eat, you gotta eat. Here we have a multi-tool. When you're out picking up trash using this thing, you need to be able to repair it. And part of that is carrying the tools and stuff, not only for the rig, but also to fix the grabber if something happens to the grabber. Anyway, this right here is just different miscellaneous parts and tools for the grabber or the rig itself. Bags to cover the remotes if I get in a rainstorm while I'm out picking up trash. This piece, what that does is whenever I put the grabber on my back, it keeps it from swinging all the way back behind me so that I can easily grab the grabber. This is a little med kit. Don't actually have a ton of use for this, but it does have like betadine and fresh water and some gauze and stuff like that in there. So down the road, if I ever get like dog bit, I'll be able to clean the wound really fast and move on. Now in here we have tourniquets and vet wrap, same kind of thing. Get dog bit, you can clean the wounds and wrap it and hopefully get back, because I go out miles and miles. Of course, if you get gunshot, that's another thing. Over here, this is bug spray. Two different types of bug spray. I'm not sure why I have two different types. I mainly use this one. Maybe I just had that one lying around. This, by the way, is Repel Deep Woods. So, as we go around, this right here is a water bottle holder. And we've got it set up with trash bags. We carry a razor knife and then a standard fixed blade knife. And then here, just a heavy duty carabiner with a ratcheting strap and some 550 cord. We carry this just in case something happens to the rig where I lose power and I have to pull it back. Then I can rig up a pulling system and drag it back with me back to my vehicle, because I go miles and miles, but those things are very, very durable. And these pieces here, this holds the remote for the rig, and this one here holds, this is a magnetic catch for that water bottle cutter. But that's the whole rig. Hope that answers your, or that's the whole kit, I should say. Hope that answers your question.